Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, we made a very impulsive move down at the 123 Fibonacci level, which is normally a pretty good area for a turn. Now, this is a little bit of a tough situation because it keeps making impulsive down and then going up, impulsive down and going up. The thing is none of these moves are breaks of structure. I mean, this is all higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Even this big push down we have here is definitely not a break of structure on the 4 hour, which means this could just be another bear trap. It may actually end up trying to push up. I would prefer to see either a break of structure, which unfortunately is way down here, or I would like to see a significant lower high to tell me that we really are going down in a very significant way. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, as of now, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up right here because if it does make like a double bottom at a fib level, whether it's a 61, 78%, it doesn't matter. If it does make like a double bottom and it breaks structure to the upside, I definitely would exit any of my shorts and I would even go long again because of the daily time frame and 4 hour time frame still definitely being in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.